we are looking at how to pronounce this word and name, as well as how to say more interesting names and interesting words in English. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. As a name, this means intense happiness. This is also a girl's name. In British English, it is usually pronounced as Felicity, Felicity. In American English, however, it is usually said as Felicity, Felicity in American English versus Felicity in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.